Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to My Dream Fantasy YouTube channel. So the next match in IPL 2020 is between Mumbai Indians and Kolkata Knight Riders. This is the 32nd match in IPL 2020. So it will be conducted on Sheikh Zayed Cricket Stadium, which is in Abu Dhabi. So we'll quickly see the pitch report and we'll go to the detailed analysis of each player. So coming to the pitch report is still supporting Pacers. So all the pitchers in UAE are supporting Pacers, but sometimes it is risky to take only Pacers. You should better have Pacers and spinners in your team. So coming to the pitch report, the second batting winning percentage is 65% here, and the first batting is just 34%. So whoever is winning toss here are trying to chase, because there is a big percentage of winning whoever are batting second. So coming to the statistics of the last domestic matches played here, out of 21 matches, batting first have 111 and batting second have 110. But in IPL it is entirely reverse. Whoever are batting second are winning more matches here. So this report of earlier matches is not valid to IPL. So average first inning score in IPL here is 158, and the highest score in this stadium is especially by Chennai Super Kings, which is 205. Coming to the scoring ranges here, if we see the ranges, below 150 is just 6 times. All the scores are reaching from 150 till 190. So let's come to the team news. So Mumbai Indians, as you know, there is no change in Mumbai Indians team from last 3 to 4 matches. Once Saurabh Tiwari is out and Ishan Kishan came into the team, there is no changes in Mumbai Indians from the time Ishan Kishan came. And coming to Kolkata Knight Riders, they might replace Tom Banton with Lockie Ferguson, who is an all-rounder and a death bowling specialist. So they're struggling with the bowling at the death overs, so they might try to bring in Ferguson in place of Tom Banton. But this is not a confirmed news. Please wait for the updates. You can join my Telegram channel, which is in the description, to get more details and last minute updates, and you'll get secret tips as well there. And one more thing is, out of Nagarkoti or Kuldeep, they may try to take any one of these players. And the last tip or the news is Rahul Tripathi might try to open again, because he has a best opening average when he's trying to bat as an opener. But when he's coming at second or third down or even fourth or fifth down, his average is reducing less than 20. So they will try to bring him again as an opener. Yeah. So coming to the next important part of my video, which is the important tips. So we'll quickly see some comparisons and see how the players are performing against each other. So the first one is Pollard versus Cummins. So if you see, out of 6 matches they played against each other, Pollard got out to Cummins 3 times, and if you see the strike rate, it is just 97. So Cummins is a good alternative for Pollard. And if you see Russell and Bumrah, as you all know, Russell is a explosive batsman, but when it comes to Bumrah, he is not even maintaining at least 200 strike rate. It is just 135, and he got out 2 times to Bumrah. The next one is Morgan versus Bolt. As you know, Morgan is a good bowler. Bolt is a good bowler and Morgan is best batsman. If you see the last 4 matches they played, 48 runs are scored in just 24 balls, and 200 is the strike rate in more Bolt bowling, and he just got out only once. And the next one is Gill versus Kolkata Knight Riders. If you see this tip, this is most important. You will not find this tip anywhere. Out of the KKR matches whichever they have won, the contribution of Gill is almost 61.7%. So if Gill is performing well for KKR, they'll definitely win the match. So you can try as a captain or vice captain in tomorrow's match as Gill. This is one important tip. So the next one is Rohit Sharma against KKR. So Rohit Sharma, especially with KKR, has scored nearly 904 runs, and this is the highest for any batsman to score against a single IPL team. So he has scored nearly 907 runs totally. So the next tip is Bolt in power play. As you know, Bolt will start bowling or he'll bowl it power play. If you see, Bolt has taken nearly 6 wickets so far just in power play. So after Rabada, Bolt and Bumrah are the two batsmen who are taking more wickets in power play. So Bolt is one more good pick for you. So coming to the players' Dream 11 points, as you always know, I will not compare with the previous scores. I will compare with the previous points in the Dream 11. And whichever you see in green are the Dream Team points. Whichever you see in black are just the points they got in the last match. So when I say Dream Team points, those players came in the Dream 11 Grand League team. Without these players, they will not win Grand League. So if we see this, every player will have something called this DT icon in the Grand League, which means they are definitely needed to get Grand League. So that is how I am comparing my scores and giving you analysis. So if you see one by one, first one is Gill. Gill, as I said, if he is contributing well, chances of winning for Kolkata is more. So if you see from the last 4 matches, he performed only once for KKR, and that match they have won actually. On Banton, who came the last match, he is not able to perform well, so they may try to replace him with Ferguson. And Nitish Rana, out of the last 4 matches, he has performed only once. And if we see Russell out of the last 4 matches has performed twice for the team. So the next one is Karthik, who's back to the form. He has got 82 points in the previous match, not the previous one, the previous match, and he has become man of the match of that match. And actually, Karthik is a good pick for you as he's back to form and he's put on his batting order to second or third down. The chances of hitting more runs are more for Karthik. And Morgan is again a good pick for you. He's consistently performing well, except the last 2 matches. If you see, even the previous matches he's performing well. So Morgan is good and he's having good record against Mumbai Indians. So the next one is Cummins. So Pat Cummins has a bad record, especially against Mumbai Indians. And since his last 4 matches are not that great, but you can expect players like this who will perform again well. So this is one good pick for Grand League, especially for the risky teams. So the next one is Rahul Tripathi. As I said, Rahul Tripathi is one player who is performing well when he's coming in the opening. So if you see his scores, he's got 107 and 49 when he's batting as an opener. And if the last matches, he's not able to perform well. So if he's coming as an opener tomorrow, you can try to take him in your team and you can try to make him as captain or vice captain as well. And Nagarkoti and Prasidh. If you compare these two bowlers, Prasidh is back with 2 matches where he performed really well and got 2 times in the dream team. And if you see Nagarkoti, except 1 match, he is not given any good points for you. And Varun Chakravarti is one more spinner. If you see his match points, out of the last 4 matches, he came in 3 times in the dream team. And if you see the death overs, Pat Cummins and Prasidh are the bowlers who will be bowling for the KKR. So you can try to pick these bowlers so they'll get you more wickets during the death bowling. So let's compare the Rohit and his team, which is Mumbai Indians. For Rohit, if you see, if he's performing 1 match, he's not performing another match. If he's performing again, he's not able to perform. So as he didn't perform the last match, you can expect a good knock for him in this match. So Rohit Sharma is a good pick and you can try as a captain or vice captain. And if you see De Kock is back to form and he's consistently performing very well for the team. If you see his scores, you'll only understand. And Suryakumar Yadav is one more best pick, I can say, from Mumbai Indians, who is consistently performing well. And then Hardik Pandya is not getting good points for you, but a good pick, I can say, in terms of his power hitting. And Ishan Kishan is one more player who has got 2 times in the last 4 matches in the Grand League. And Krunal Pandya is actually better than Hardik Pandya if you see his scores. So you can try to take Krunal in place of Hardik Pandya if you are trying to go with the Pandya brothers. And Pollard, though he is a good batsman, his batting position is not letting him get good points, but still he is able to get 39, 42 and 62 points if you see here. And Pattinson, except the last match, if you see his previous matches, he has got good points, a minimum 50 points for you in every match he played. And Chahar, so Chahar is a spinner. As you know, you need to take at least one or two spinners in this match. You can go with Chahar as one of your option. And Bolt, as I said, is good in power play. If you see his scores, he has got 54, 54 and 35. So he's a good pick for you again. And Bumrah, if you remember his previous match, he has got 114 points just with the bowling. So he's a perfect pick for risky teams to go with captain or vice captain. And if you see the death over specialists, it will be Bumrah, Pattinson, or even Bolt will try to bowl in the death overs. So this is the perfect analysis of both the teams. Let's see their head-to-head records. So if you see the last 26 matches they have played against each other, Mumbai Indians is clearly dominating it. If you see, they have won 20 matches out of 26 matches, and RCB won just 6 matches against them. And the same record they have even for the last 5 matches. If you see, they have won 4 matches and just lost only 1 match. So this is, sorry guys, this is for KKR. Even here it is KKR. And if you see the last records between these two teams, Mumbai Indians are consistently winning the last 4 matches, and if you see KKR, they have won 3 matches out of the last 5 matches. So let's see the key star players from both the teams. So from KKR, I'm preferring these 4 players, out of which Gill is one player, Morgan, Russell, and Cummins. Cummins, as I said, is not having good record with Mumbai Indians, but I'm suspecting he will get good points in bowling actually. So for Mumbai Indians, you can go with Rohit Sharma, Quinton de Kock, these 2 openers. You can go with Bolt, and sorry, this should be Bumrah. So Bolt and Bumrah should be definite picks for you for tomorrow's match. So my personal captain and vice captain choices are these. I'm going with Rohit and de Kock from Mumbai Indians and Gill and Morgan from KKR. And my risky team captains, as I said, I'm going with Bumrah, Bolt or Russell. And my vice captain choices are, as I said, Suryakumar Yadav is actually in very good form. And then even Karthik is back to form and he's put on his position to second or third down. So he's again a good pick for you for vice captain position. Yeah, that's it guys. If you like my content in this video, please like my YouTube video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And for last minute updates and tips, you can join my Telegram channel, which is available in this video description. Thank you. Have a good day.